everybody, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious enchiladas rojas. These types of enchiladas are my favorite because I prefer them over the ones that are baked in the oven. I like them fried and they're so easy to make, very fast, very delicious. Let me show you guys how to make them. These are the ingredients we're gonna be using. 7 California chiles, 2 chiles ancho, 4 chiles de árbol, 1 Roma tomato, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, corn tortillas, queso fresco, and our spices that I will link down below. Okay, so we're gonna start off by preparing our salsa for the enchiladas, which are the 2 chile anchos, the 4 chiles de árbol. These are the California peppers, onion, 2 garlic cloves, tomato. We're also gonna be adding 2 cups of water. Keep in mind, guys, that I had pre-washed all the vegetables and I had taken off the stem from the chiles. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna boil them for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I almost forgot that I also add 1 clove to the sauce. Okay, while we're waiting for the sauce to boil, I'm gonna cut the cheese and crumble it because we're gonna be using it for the inside of the enchiladas. So it's already been about 10 minutes. All the chiles are ready and they're perfect now, so they can go into the blender. And don't forget any of your ingredients in the pot because the garlic cloves are very small. I've forgotten about them sometimes. We're also gonna be adding the water that was left from when we boiled them, and that should be enough. These are the spices that we're gonna be using and we're gonna add them to the salsa. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because I want it to be a little bit more liquidy, and we're gonna keep blending. Now we're gonna strain the salsa. Now that we are done straining the sauce, this is how your sauce should look. This is a very good consistency. I'm gonna add some oil to a pan. I set it on medium heat. Okay, this is the messy part, guys. We're gonna grab 1 tortilla, put it in the chile, and fry them. And then we just turn it. And that's what we're gonna do for every tortilla. Okay, now we're gonna add quesito fresco to each tortilla and roll it up. Now we're gonna put it on another plate. I'm gonna keep doing the same with all the tortillas. Some people like to add onion or beans inside. I just like them like this, puro quesito. Okay, now that they're all ready, we're gonna top it off with some queso fresco. Keep in mind, guys, that these are a little bit spicy because they are enchiladas. Some people like to make them with tomato sauce, and those are called entomatadas. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of beans on the side, refried beans, un poco de lechuga, some tomatoes. Se me olvidó echarle cremita.
Crema is life.
Heck yeah. Y frijolito. Ahora sí.
It's good.
Super.
¿Te las va a comer todas?
No, todas no. Te voy a dejar poquito. Están súper ricas. Delicious. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you decide to make the enchiladas, please tag me on my social medias. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I got a request to make fried rice, and I will be making that in a future video, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.